impressive evening, India Cargo Awards acknowledged the success and hard work of the real heroes of the cargo industry.
In my view, further gains will come through reducing costs, and because that's what will increase the competitiveness of the trade.
It is thanks to all of you that India's logistics sector today is valued at around $160 billion. $160 billion is expected to grow to $200 billion in just 3 years.
We all look forward every year for these awards. Let me tell you, these are the best awards in the industry, and we all look forward for the same.
The winners are PS Atri entered the Gallery of Legends.
I want to dedicate this award to all the team members, to my family and my colleagues with whom I worked till now. And whatever I could do, I'm always there to do that.
Vipin Jain was recognized as the DDP Game Changer.
Game Changer is quite a difficult task, and holding this heavy award means more and more responsibility in time to come.
Bhavinder Singh was awarded with the DDP Trailblazer.
My seniors always said that individuals are not important. When you are doing a software development, individuals are not important. It's the systems and the company and the organization which is the more important. And I've always tried to bring that to India when I started my own company. It's the systems and the organization which matters. Individuals do not matter. Of course they matter, because end of the day they are the hardworking people who are slogging along with you.
Best Cargo Professional of the Year, Mahesh Trikar.
Our target is 30% growth, so we are very confident about it. And these awards definitely motivate us, motivates the team.